too young, too old. No matter what you do, someone had something to say. But I will share what I learned. Hey, this is 春天了. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my story. When I was 14 years old, people might say, "You are too young. You don't know anything. You are too small. You're too small." When I was 16 years old, people might say, "You are too young. You don't understand." When I was 18 years old, people might say, "You don't know life." When I was 20 years old, people might say, "You need more years. You need more years. You need to practice. You are not enough." And all of a sudden, year after year, all of a sudden, people might say, "You are too old. You don't know. You're too late to learn AI. Too late to learn computer. And too late to write a book. And too late to everything." Now, what are you going to think? I want to tell you, age doesn't matter with when you start. Your courage does. Your consistent does. Your action does. Now, when is the best time, the perfect time to start? The best time to start is yesterday. The next perfect time to start is now. If my message inspires you, comment below. If you are interested in it, welcome to join my program. Don't forget to hit like, comment, share, and subscribe. It will help more people to reach this video and help more people. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.